Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can add your DNS entries in Hostinger. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything for tutorials like this. So let's get started. Once you logged in to your H panel, what you want to do is go to your domain section and here click on Manage. After that, on the left side you will see DNS and name servers. If you click on that one, you will see all the managed DNS records and you can add a record. So it is basically the same as entry. You can change name servers as you can see. So you know how everything works here. So that's how you add your DNS entries in Hostinger. So that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video is helpful. Please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, and we see you in the next one. Peace.